Portugal hospitaleiro, és um dos países mais visitado do mundo e tens muita cultura, sol para ir às praias, quanto sal tem o mar, da tua história dos descobrimentos, quantos morrerão pela pátria, água salgada beberão nas caravelas. Portugal, hospitable, is one of the most visited countries in the world, and you have so much culture, sun to go to the beaches. How much salt is in the sea? From your history of discoveries, how many will die for their country? They will drink the salty water in the caravels.